8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm XRP Future Millionaire and I reside in the great state of Michigan. I want to thank everybody for tuning in, as we have to pay some serious attention as we've been the last many months. But as far as right now, we're at a critical point. We're at a pivot point, so to say. We did bounce off of to me was the extreme pivot level. On the way up, we talked about 22,983. If it held that, we could continue to be bullish. Last night, at about 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock area, 9 and 10 o'clock, we held this. And it's allowed us to pump another almost 1,000 points on Bitcoin. It actually came about 1,000 points on Bitcoin after holding this. So now what we need to watch is, do we get this extension up and do we hit this 25K today? Or is the US dollar currency index starting to get bullish here again, and it's going to bring us inevitably down just a little bit here as this corrects back up? Because we've been on such a little tear right here on the crypto markets. Total crypto market cap's up at resistance. That was my targeted move, and we finally fulfilled it now. And I said if we were to fall from there and not hold and continue the pump, you come down to 658 billion. If you get on top of this, that in the same way that you would fall 400 or 500 billion, you're talking, if you get on top of this, you might be able to push up, you know, the 500 billion instead of falling down. So it's either 658 billion, or it's actually not all the way up there, though. It's not going to initially go all the way up there. There's one more level. But that would be your top end potential if you start breaking out of these levels. It's that simple. We still have one more, though, that we have to crack before getting all the way up there. Maybe not. Because that's your exact break. Look at that. That's an exact breakout point. Like, what a perfect call that was to say it's going to come up there. Now it's that old drop point, right? That's the old support. Came up into consolidation, right? And then came down. Now we're consolidating up to that old support that is now being used as resistance for the very first time. If this holds, it would be a catastrophic drop. If it breaks back up into this, I suppose, little descending triangle, or yeah, about it's tiny descending triangle. If you break back up in here, crypto can maintain bullish and then try to pop up into here. But if not, this is an overwhelming rejection area. So I'm going to be cautiously optimistic that we can continue going up. But at the same time, we see exactly where we're at. So pay attention very closely. Bitcoin at the 23,839. We're riding this ascending triangle pattern pretty nicely right now. If we break this down into the 30-minute time frame, we've got a little sideways and up consolidation. Not very much volume, but seeing where we're at, I would still like to think that we can get up here as long as this bull flag plays out. And can we get above that? That's the question that everybody's asking. It's either 25,000 is going to be the ultimate rejection, or you're going to get up at 28,000 plus and some change. But if the US dollar currency index pumps today, this might end up retracing. We don't know. But we are starting to decrease in volume, and that is very noticeable here as the days going on, the last couple of days. Same thing with XRP. We have not had really any huge spikes. We clearly can see what we're on, though, in every single pattern right now. And this is a little, this can be a little scary for some. We're in a rising channel, and rising channels are bearish reversals. Just like a falling channel is a bullish reversal at the bottom, typically. But like, to me, we're in a rising channel here, ladies and gentlemen. So every time you get to resistance, you play back down to support. So you've got support, support, resistance, 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 coming up again at resistance. Are we gonna? How many times are we gonna hit support and resistance? We've already confirmed this pattern. So the question is do we get on top of this very critical pivot level of 37.3? I mean 38.3, and do we break up? We need to break out of here. If we break out of here, we always have that chance at that 53 cent approximately. But we've been calling 40 cents for a long time. It's come close enough, but the market's not necessarily ready to roll over. It really isn't. Then if we get into a quick little news on crypto, let's see. Ooh, here, let's talk about another crypto exchange. So just be careful. So here's another one. So if you use the crypto exchange Bitmex, so crypto exchange Bitmex freezes customers' withdrawals. So just another one in a longer line of details. This is breaking news here this morning, about an hour ago. Crypto exchange Bitmex freezes customer withdrawals. Bitmex announced the update in a Wednesday tweet saying withdrawals would be paused until further notice. Bitmex has become the latest cryptocurrency firm to resort to drastic measures to deal with the market downturn. The Asian firm announced Wednesday that it had halted customer withdrawals due to market volatility and other factors, a tweet from the company's official account read. Due to a combination of circumstances beyond our control, including volatile market conditions and the resulting financial difficulties of our key business partners, to maintain the integrity of our platform, we would be pausing withdrawals until further notice. This story is breaking and will be updated as further details emerge. So again, another crypto exchange looks to be starting the insolvency route. So be very, very careful on crypto. There's a reason why I'm not keeping all my funds on crypto right now, even though the exchange is on, I trust. I'm still not going to keep $5,000, $6,000 on Uphold. I've got it right around $3,000 right now, and I might take a little bit more out. I don't know. But I don't trust the crypto exchanges right now. Join me on BitGet. It's one that I partnered with because they're not a lending platform. They're a trading platform. Links in the video description below. You can join me on copy trading, which we hit for over, 3 trades, 45% or more yesterday. And it's just been a spectacular adventure. So anybody who's willing to do that or wanting to do that, join me over there on BitGet. Click the video description below. There's a lot of cool things on BitGet I'm going to do in my next update. I'm going to show a little info on BitGet so you guys know who you're trading with. Hashtag be better, do better. Hashtag FUD assassins. Remember, help one person out each and every day, because if I don't do my part and you don't do your part, what the hell is the point? And I want to end with UB2B. Obviously, join Tom's Army, $9.99 a month if you want. But we got so much stuff here. 259 people in here. Make sure if you're part of Tom's Army, you're re-upping. Don't make me be a dick. I like having everybody in here, so I haven't deleted anybody. But also, pay it forward and don't insult me. You know, I do a lot for you guys. Pay it forward. So this is where it's at. If you like XRP, you like the ISO, or if you want to know a bunch of people who like crypto, like-minded, and don't BS it, this is the right place to be. Also, we're going to end it with UB2B as he's starting to do his new kind of art. And I want you guys to watch. Money Dragon, the movement is all dollar. Look closely. The purple ones are the easiest to see, then the butterflies are transformation. This guy's a G. Follow him on Twitter. Links in my video description below as well. Absolutely spectacular. Stay blessed, everybody, and go follow UB2B. He is a genius. My meme genius.